Hi guys, welcome to another video from VauxhallTEC. Today we're going to show you how to use the audio and telephone controls on the new Vauxhall Corsa. Before we start, however, I should point out that the steering wheel on most of the latest Vauxhall models is pretty much the same, with the exception of maybe one or two. So you may still find this video useful if, for example, you drive an Astra, Crossland or Grandland. Okay, so let's get straight into it. On the far right hand side, you'll find the volume thumb wheel. Push the thumb wheel up to increase your volume, and push the thumb wheel down to decrease your volume. Here is your mute button. Press it once to mute your audio. Press it again to unmute your radio. Next, we have the Src buttons. Pressing the up arrow will allow you to toggle up through your preset radio stations or your music track if you're listening to music through USB or Bluetooth. Likewise, pressing the down arrow will allow you to toggle down your preset radio stations or music track. The Src button allows you to toggle through the different medias you may have connected to your vehicle. This can include radio, Bluetooth, USB or iPod. Simply press the button multiple times until your chosen source is selected. Press the phone symbol button to answer any incoming calls. Holding this button down will reject any incoming calls. If you want to make a call, press this button and your contacts and recent calls will appear on the screen. Use the up and down arrow buttons to select the call and then press the tick button to select. The last button is the voice command button. This button allows you to instruct the car to carry out certain tasks, including navigating to a specific location, selecting a radio station, making a call, or adjusting the heating.
To begin, say a command after the tone.
Call home.
Which contact would you like to select? Please select a line.
Line 3.
Calling home.
So there we go, how to use the steering wheel audio controls on your Vauxhall Corsa. If you liked this video, please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.